Welcome to the ChromaTrace 3.0 introductory tutorial. ChromaTrace is a software for designing electrical heat trace systems. It allows you to specify heat trace cable for applications such as freeze protection and process temperature maintenance. The software automatically generates a complete bill of materials with exact quantities and part numbers of the equipment needed. Let's take a look at the ChromaTrace application. There's a ChromaTrace icon in the top left-hand corner. Clicking on it, it will reveal the ChromaTrace menu. Here we have options for help, creating a new project, opening an existing project, closing a project, saving projects, requesting a quote, exiting the application, and opening most recently used projects. I can close this out by clicking OK or clicking on that logo again. I'm going to open up one of these existing projects. You'll notice the same options for new, save, open, and close are available from your toolbar as well. You'll notice my open project, Crude Wash Line, displays as a tab beside the Home tab. I could have several projects open at the same time and they would line up here as tabs across the top. You can switch back and forth between your projects using these tabs. So I can open projects in three different ways. I can open it from the ChromaTrace menu. I could open it from the Open button on the toolbar, or I could open it from the most recently used list. The left-hand column of the screen has a navigation window. This window also will display the reports. The navigation panel shows the lines, the tanks, and the control panels. The bars in the navigation section are used to move through the existing lines, tanks, and panels. The tools on the toolbar are used to create new lines, tanks, and panels. Select the Reports tab at the bottom of this section to switch to the Report panel. You can switch back and forth between those with these tabs at the bottom. The middle section will display the details of the item that's selected in the left-hand navigation panel. The right-hand section of your screen shows the calculations that ChromaTrace makes based on the entries that you enter. For import and export, you can import a project, you can import a set of lines, a set of tanks, or a set of panels. You can export a ChromaTrace project to share with another user or to send to ChromaLogs. The clipboard tools offer us cut, copy, and paste. We can use these tools to copy one component to another and copy it to all the other ones that you select. There's also an option for global copy. Global copy will take an option from one line and copy it to all the other lines or a group of lines that you pick based on some selection. The Remove button deletes lines, panels, or tanks. The Remove button isn't used to delete projects. You need to delete projects from the Project Manager. To delete a project, you have to open the Project Manager. Click the Open tool on the toolbar. The Project Manager is the only place that I can delete a project. To the right of the project, I need to click the minus sign icon to delete the project. A window pops up asking me to confirm that I want to delete my project so I don't accidentally delete one of my projects. I'll click the OK button confirming that I do in fact want to delete my project. Close out my Project Manager, and I see that my heat trace project is no longer in the recent projects list. I have deleted that project. The Request Quote button will send your ChromaTrace project information directly to ChromaLogs for a quote. The Options tool will allow you to open some tables that you can change the data in to be specific to your company. The application will allow you to just make specific changes to the existing information, or you can import or export, make changes that way as well. The Online Help contains features for a table of contents, an index, a search, and a glossary. The Online Help includes several helpful tutorials. There's context-sensitive help throughout the application. If you click on one of the blue icons with the question mark, it'll bring up information defining what that feature is. The Update tool will search the internet to see if there's a newer version of ChromaTrace available. If there is, it'll download it and install it to your computer. The Exit button will exit the application. An icon that will expand and collect. This icon will launch the online help. The Send Feedback icon will open up a form so that you can send a message to ChromaLox. The Info button provides information about the current version of ChromaLox. Click anywhere in that pop-up window to close it. This concludes our introduction to ChromaTrace. See our website for other helpful tutorials.